Traders, good day. September 7th, 2018, after the market closed. It's a Friday. We've got a weekend ahead of us. I'm going to provide you guys another trading report update on ticker symbol CELZ. So we've been watching her for quite a while for now. I mean, I don't know how long it's been. Well, let's just look back exactly when we've been watching her. I believe was on my radar around here, somewhere around this level, almost 3 months ago. Okay, so we had our eyes on her for quite a while, but let me just fast forward back into today. Well, these few days. Remember this trend line, this downtrend line was broken. I said, hey guys, you know, this downtrend, this is her new base, this is her new support. Look how she's trading above it this whole time, even though she was trading somewhere in a downward slope, right? Formed the hammer, and pretty much the downward slope ended today with this red bar. Go figure. Green base, downward slope. Red day, actually, it's not actually downward, it's actually stable. Okay? Strange how this pattern works, but this is what happened when it stays above the downtrend. Okay? Remember I told you, as it gets closer to the cross, X meets the spot, it can start heading higher and explode. Okay, so we saw today was actually the first day. I mean, technically she was even for the day, even though she's red. But today was the first day that she hasn't went lower and, you know, followed the downtrend this way. I mean, she probably could tomorrow, after tomorrow, but it's showing indication of support. And I honestly think we could see an up move coming in maybe as quick as Monday. Alright, so we'll have a nice reversal play right there. Shoulder, head, possible shoulder right here, reversal play. And remember, this X mark, right? It's like a pirate's treasure. So around this X mark, this up move should happen. We've been eyeing her for quite a while. I've pretty much called every swing on CELZ since the 0.015 marker. It's, you know, sometimes you can see the pattern before it happens with particular stocks. And, you know, this is what I've seen with CELZ. Just to the language, and I'm able to understand it. Anyhow, I'm looking, and I expect her to start heading higher really soon. I want to say as soon as Monday, this coming Monday, but she can take maybe, I would say, till the 14th of September, okay? Latest 17th of September. So we'll see what happens, but I really think her move will start coming back into play. And remember, we're looking, I don't think she'll just explode right off the back. I mean, if she does, that'd be great. But what I think she's going to do is she's going to create a longer term reversal, meaning trading above this uptrend until she gets and breaks through 7 cents. And when she does that, then you guys can see all-time high. But remember, news can disrupt the language, right? So when I mean news can disrupt the language, the trading language, right now, all this is language, right? And I'm just reading a book. That's all I'm doing. I'm reading a book. And based on me reading it, I actually could understand or get an indication of what's going to happen next based on the character and behavior of this book, CELZ. Okay? So now, the only time this language gets disrupted when news comes out, sometimes it doesn't, but sometimes it does, and that's when it could happen, is when the language gets disrupted because news comes out and, you know, there's a gap play, either a gap up or gap down, and then it just messes with the language a little bit until, you know, that move of the disruption clears up and gives a clearer path. Now, the disruption, you know, could be great news and just shoots up and not form this longer term reversal. And I'm pretty sure all you longs out there would love that type of disruption, right? Some news disruption that makes her explode, break through 7.5 cents and go to 20, 30 cents a share. Now, bad news disruption where it does the exact opposite. I mean, she can't go negative 20, 30 cents, but, God forbid, sell pennies, right? Now, I don't think that is the case. What I think is she's heading higher. I'm just giving you, some trading approach and some trading understanding of how the language works and what can disruption do for a particular stock. Anyhow, Creative Med, expect her to go up sometime next week. If not next week, maybe the week after. It does look like it's getting through this X mark, so keep your eyes on her. She's trading above it. She could bounce off that level to start heading higher and just keep bouncing. News comes out, just through the roof. It's a little too early for that. I think she's going to consolidate upwards for, I want to say, 2-3 months before she breaks 7.5 cents if she does so. And, keep her eye on her as we've been watching her for quite a while and been able to spot all the support and resistance level as we've been trading her. So remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. Have upcoming live trading courses available for individuals who actually wants to learn the trading language that, the tutorials I pretty much put out here is pretty much what you're going to learn and understand these movements and why stocks make these particular movements, the reasoning behind it. And the best thing as a trader is for you to catch these, these patterns and execute based on what you see and what you know. Stay tuned. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher.